if you don't buy the tools, like you're always gonna be knocking on somebody's door, and I hate that. I hate having to always like go knock on somebody's door for something. You know, when
as a
when the talent
gatekeeper
is
myself,
sitting-
I hate niggas coming to knock on my door.
You know, so you have to like really invest in yourself really quickly if you're going to see the return. You know.
Those are bars, bro. Those are bars. I think let's take a break because I had definitely wanted to touch. I think you've actually answered a question I wanted to ask you about how you actually worked your way around gatekeepers. But it sounds like, you invested in yourself.
I give them a big fuck you, and I invest in myself. You know.
Let's hit
because,
that break. Bars. That is hard. That is hardcore.
Because
Break.
it's one of the most frustrating things to be hungry for something, and then people just drag their feet about your passion, you know, and it's like it's demoralizing. It's just like and I always say to people, you know, my greatest achievements have always come out of frustration, you know, because nobody is gonna give it to you, you know, nobody is gonna give it to you on a plate and be like, yeah, sure, let's work, you know, like you literally have to fight for everything in this industry, you know, and if you don't equip yourself. That's what you'll always do. You'll always be knocking on somebody's door, and then you'll realize your passions, you know, at their own time. You know, when they feel like it's your time. You know,
No, that's what gatekeepers do. They dictate
you know,
the key terms.
And I don't like stuff like that.
Guys, let's hit the camera break. But there's a guy who's recording this who really believes in your philosophy, and I think he's taught even me and a lot of us a lot about that kind of thinking. So that's interesting. That is dope. That's hard. Let's hit this break.